Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing, and this is not just any regular Boxycharm. This is the BOXYLUXE. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what it's included in this box. If you're not familiar with what the BOXYLUXE is, it is a $49 box that you get every 3 months. So you'll get your regular $21 box every month, and every 3 months you can opt in and get the BOXYLUXE, and it will look something like this. Usually it'll include about like 10 full-size products versus the smaller box only including 5. So you can always like opt out if you like. You can skip months, it's up to you, but if you don't, then you should be getting them every 3 months. So for today, I'm going to be showing you what it is that I got in mine, and I will let you guys know at the end of the video if I think it was worth it or not. So I already took a peek inside because I couldn't wait. So for this month's theme, it's going to be VIE and Rose, and this is what the little pamphlet will look like right here, and it will give you information on the back side of each product that's included. It'll give you a breakdown, a little bit of a description, just so that you can read it and kind of get a sense of what your box is worth. So the first thing that I see in here is a makeup bag. So this is what the bag will look like. It's just a regular makeup bag, nothing too special. Okay, so the inside, it's like a light pink color, and it says Boxycharm right on the top. So it's a cute bag. I just didn't really need a new bag. The Boxycharm Train Case. Just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm Cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take this glam on the go. And this one retails for $20. So again, it's cute. It's very plain. Like, I wish it had like dividers or something just to make it cuter, but it's cute. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to use it. I might just give it to someone, but again, not bad. Especially if you don't have any, I guess it's good. Okay, up next we have these right here, and these are Lily Lashes exclusive faux mink Jaya lashes. Add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition faux mink gala pair of Lily lashes. The winged style cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears, and this one retails for $29.99. So to be honest, I'm not one that wears lashes all the time. I mean, if you guys have seen any of my previous videos, I regularly don't wear them. I usually just apply mascara and I'm good to go. But it is always nice to have an extra pair of lashes just in case you want to pop some on. So that's nice that they included these. I've heard many good things about the Lily lashes. I know they're supposed to be really good lashes. So excited to have these. I'm not sure when I'll wear them or how often, but not bad. I like that. Up next, we got this Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purity and Brightening Peel Off Mask containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies, replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by a kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. And this one retails for $34, which is very expensive. So I'm excited to try these. I don't always use peel off masks, but I'm excited to add another one to my collection. It says that it is purifying and brightening, so we'll see how good this works for the skin. Hopefully it doesn't break me out, it doesn't do anything. I don't have super sensitive skin, so I'm hoping that this will be good for me. Up next, we got this by Iconic London, and it's a eyebrow cushion. So it comes with a little tool right here to apply, I would assume, the brow product. And this is what the little tool looks like right here. And then it's a cushion eyebrow. Oh, wow. Okay, that's very weird. Ooh. So this is what the inside looks like. So as you guys can see, that's the cushion right here. I'm assuming that the lighter side you usually use for the, I believe, the front of your brows, and the darker you use at the tail end of your brow, I guess. So that's very interesting. I've never used anything like this before. So it says the Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with iconic sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half of the effort. The highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes the precise application each time. This one retails for $40. And I'm just gonna lightly dip it right there. Wow, that's so weird. Huh. So it's kind of like what the strokes look like right there. I don't know. I'm excited to try this. Like I said, I've never used anything like that before. So fingers crossed. I don't know. I'm a little nervous. I'm not going to lie. But we'll see. Maybe it's the best thing that I've ever tried before. Maybe it'll be the worst thing that I've ever tried before. I don't know. I've never heard anybody talk about this or used anything like this before. So I'm excited to try this. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Up next, we have the Deborah Lippmann nail polish set. So it comes with 2 different shades right here. As you guys can see, one of them has glitter and the other one is just a regular creamy color. And it says the dual patented formula is your new Deborah Lippmann 2-piece set. Lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredient help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effect of gel polish without the damage. And this one's retail for $20. I'm excited to try these. I usually wear kill polish on my nails. Right now we have a man down, so I need to redo them all. But that's usually what I have on my nails. I'll have kill polish almost all the time. So I don't know. I don't know if I can trust this, but I don't know. Have you guys used this brand before? What do you guys think? Let me know below. I definitely like to do my nails, so we'll see how I feel about these. We'll see if they pass the test of wear. Up next, we got these brushes, and these are by Moda. They are the Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. These ones retail for $29.99. $29.99? I thought Moda was supposed to be cheap. $29.99 is not very cheap. But let's see what they feel like. So these are the brushes right here. They're very pretty. I mean, if you guys look at the handle, that looks very, very luxurious. So this, I would assume, is like the powder. What does it say? Yeah, so this is the powder, and this is going to be like the soft glow. And this is the little dense for powder. Maybe I would use it for like bronzer, but, and this, I don't know. I typically don't use this big of a highlighter brush. Usually I use these type of brushes for like blush whenever I wear blush, which is rarely. So I can see myself maybe using this because it would apply it very lightly. So I'll have to put these to the test and see how I feel about them. But I must say I was like a little bummed to see these in here because I know they're affordable, and usually for Boxycharm I expect something very high-end. But these feel high-end, and they feel extremely soft, so I was wrong. I'll admit it. Okay, up next we got this Becca lipstick, Ultimate Lipstick Love. So this is a moisturizing 8-hour long-wearing silky satin lip color infused with next generation of hyaluronic acid. And this one retails for $24, and I got mine in Sea Sorbet. So it's very pretty. Looks like, so let me swatch it. Ooh, that's very creamy. So that's what the color looks like right there. That's a very pretty shade. That's gonna be perfect for like a summery, like you got some simple brown eyes and you pop this on the lips. Ooh, that's very pretty. So yeah, I don't think I've ever tried any Becca lip products, so I don't know. I'm excited to see how this wears, if it wears for 8 hours. Up next we got this Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream by Ecclesiastes. And this is developed with plastic surgeons. Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. you'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. And this one retails for $48. So whew, I am kind of hoping I don't like this. I'm not gonna lie, because if I do, I'm not repurchasing it. But I've heard pretty good things about this. I know that's supposed to be a pretty good cream. It feels very heavy, very luxe. So I guess if you don't like anything else in the box, you kind of got your money's worth just with the cream. So that's a good thing. But I have other ones that I need to use before I get to this one. So we'll see once I get to this one if it appears in one of my favorites videos, or you'll probably see it in an empty or something like that. So we'll see how this works. But let me know in the comments below if you guys have used this cream or what you guys think about it. What you guys have seen as results. I would love to know. Up next, we have this Cover FX palette. It's a super pretty, like light peachy color, and it's matte, the packaging. So this is the inside right here, and it looks like it's like a face palette. So this is the Perfector Face Palette, light medium. So I'm assuming they have different ones. I don't know. I've never seen this before. So this is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. This talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with the contour, blush it up, and illuminate with other shimmery highlighters. Find your perfect finish with a brightener and finish powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. And this one retails for $45. So I don't know. I mean, that blush, it's way too pink, and I'll probably never touch it. Let me see what the contour looks like. Ooh, that's a pretty shade right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So that's kind of what the highlights look like right on the bottom there. That's 1, 2, 3. That's the blush right here. And then of course you probably can't see the finishing powder, but I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, to be honest, if everybody got the same thing, it's kind of a bummer, because if you don't have like a light to medium skin tone, if you have anything deeper than that, you probably won't be able to use this, because it's actually pretty light. So I don't really like when Boxycharm does that they don't put things that are universal in their boxes, because you're not going to be able to use them. And that's kind of a bummer. If you paid to be using something that you won't be able to use, you'll end up giving it away. So then at that point, is it really worth your money? I don't know. But I don't know. I'm excited to use this to see if I like it. I've never used anything. I don't think I really have many things by Cover FX. I only have their mattifying spray, which I really like. I'm excited to see how this wears on the face. Hopefully it won't look too powdery, too cakey. Maybe I'll try the highlight. So I'll try it with the brush that came with the set. And I gotta say, that finishing powder right there, it's super glittery. So I don't know who would ever use that as a finishing powder, but I'm gonna go ahead and go into this. And then just gonna apply some up here. Wow. Holy moly, that is very, very bright. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, that is definitely a bright as highlight. Wow. Not bad. Okay. I'm excited to use this and see what I think about it. And last in the box, we got this 15 and Nightmaster by Morphe. The 15 shade artistry palette. Indulge in infinite eye looks. This mirrored palette features 15 crazy, creamy, powerfully pigmented shades, so you can mix, match, and blend the rules. And this one retails for $16. And as a bummer, I already have this in my collection. Not this past year. I think it was a year before. I think that's when this came out, and I used it a few times, but to be honest, I didn't really like it. Like, I didn't think it was like the Morphe type of like formula that I'm used to, like the Jaclyn Hill. It was definitely not like that. It wasn't like the 39N that I like. So this is what the shades look like right here. So the shades are definitely very, very pretty. I believe the way they did this is that they came out with the 15N, which was supposed to be like the night palette, because it has like all those dark, sultry, whatever kind of colors. And then they were supposed to be a 15D, which I think was the day one. And this one and that one had a bit of lighter colors. And okay, so here's my thought on this. I feel like they could have included something a lot better, because this is like, I don't know, I imagine something more springy since we are going into spring. I don't see myself using this for like spring. I feel like this is a good night palette, but it's not very springy. It doesn't make me happy to look at this. I don't feel like it was a very summery kind of palette. So I am a little disappointed. I'm probably going to give it away to like my sister or someone, whoever might want it. This is not a luxe product. This is very affordable. It's $16, which is great, but if you're paying $50 for a box that's called BOXYLUXE, you want a luxe product. Or is that just me? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got this or what you guys think. Do you guys love it? Do you guys hate it? Do you guys think it's a good thing to have added? I don't know. Maybe I'm just being a brat. I don't know. I guess a 50% success. Not bad. So let me go ahead and add everything up and I'll let you guys know the total. So that's the total for this box. $301.98. I can't deny it. It's a good value. You get to try different things. You get a little bit of makeup. You get a little bit of skincare. So that's exciting. I mean, it's exciting. Every time that I say, okay, I'm going to stop doing Boxycharm, then I get the box and I realize, okay, you get a lot of different things. You get to try a few different brands. Otherwise, you probably wouldn't if you had to spend your own money. So $300 for $50, it's a really good deal. So I don't know. I guess it's up to you. If you feel like you're going to use most of the products and it's worth it. If you feel like you're not, then you shouldn't get it. I think I'm going to continue to get it. I don't know if I'll get the BOXYLUXE, but Boxycharm for sure always fulfills my happiness. It's exciting. Every time I get it every month, I get excited. So yeah, even though I didn't like everything in the box, I liked at least 50%, and that's enough for me. But let me know in the comments below if you guys got the same thing as me or if you guys got something different. Let me know what you thought about this month's box. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.